In front of me is OnePlus Nord, and let me show you how to activate and use TalkBack on the following device. So first of all, you have to open list of all apps, go to the settings, then find and select system, and here click on accessibility. Now select TalkBack, and as you can see here you've got all details, so smoothly activated right here, and then we will read the note. You can also go with this TalkBack tutorial, but I will go back because all you need to know is written right here. Let me just volume it up a bit because you cannot hear it clearly. So let me click on it one more time, and now let's listen to it.
When TalkBack is on, it provides spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen. This can be helpful for people who are blind or have low vision. To navigate using TalkBack, swipe right or left to move between items. Double tap to activate an item. Drag 2 fingers to scroll. To turn off TalkBack, tap the switch. You will see a green outline. Double tap the switch. On the confirmation message, tap OK. Then double tap OK.
So all you have to do is to mark some particular icon once, then double tap to select it. If you'd like to scroll down, just drag your 2 fingers, just like that. And if you'd like to select something, just mark it, listen to it, double tap to select, and to switch TalkBack off, just click here and double tap to switch it off. Tap on stop and click twice to turn it off permanently. So that would be all this how you can activate and use TalkBack. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.